Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Everyday Heroes game system as well as the Crow module into the Foundry Virtual Tabletop. So this is going to require downloading the latest version of Foundry and installing it over the top. I'll show you how to do that. First we're going to close out of Foundry. And then we're going to back up the Foundry data just to be safe. So to do that, you go to C, users, your username, whoever you're logged in as, app data, local, and then Foundry Virtual Tabletop. You can see I've already done a couple backups of it. I'm going to go ahead and create a backup here. So I right-clicked on data and I said copy. Then I created a backup folder and I'm going to paste it in there. And depending how big your Foundry module is, how many tokens you put in, how many game worlds, whatever, this time will vary. But we're going to go ahead and let that copy. And as you can see, that now finished. I have a backup of my data. So now we're going to log into Foundry. We're going to click on this hamburger over here and go to download software. So our operating system is Windows. We're just going to go ahead and click download. All right, now that that's finished, we're going to open the folder and go ahead and run it as administrator. We will page down to accept user agreement. Okay, so it appears the Foundry setup is complete. I'm not going to run it yet. I'm going to uncheck this and say finish because I want to go back to that folder and make sure that our data looks right. So we'll go back to Foundry and then we're going to right click and look at the properties. And it is 4.6 gigabytes ending in 970. Let's look at our backup. And that is also 4.6 gigabytes ending in 970. So we know that our data is okay. So now we can go ahead and launch Foundry. Okay, and with the new version comes a new end user license agreement. We'll agree to the terms and go ahead and agree. Enter your password. Typically, I will decline sharing. So we have a whole new look, which is something we might talk about in another video. But let's go ahead and proceed with our installation. We're going to click on Game Systems, and we're going to say Install System. We're going to search for the Everyday Heroes, and click Install. And that is all it takes to install the Everyday Heroes game system. Now we're going to go ahead and install the Crow package. So this video assumes that you've already purchased the Crow module or the Pacific Rim module or whatever module you want to install, but if you haven't, you can go to drivethroughrpg.com to purchase those. While you're installing it, it will ask you for your Foundry VTT username, so you can link it there. And now that we've done that, we can go to foundryvtt.com/packages/ehcrow, which is where the package lives. And we'll go ahead and come down to where it says manifest URL. We're going to right click that and copy it. And then back in Foundry, we're going to click on the add-on modules. And we're going to say install module. And we're going to enter the path that we just copied and click install. And you can see it's downloading the package. And ehcrow, Everyday Heroes Crow, was successfully installed. So now let's go to our game worlds. We're going to ignore this that I have here. We're going to say create world. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Crow because I think that one is already the Crow. And then we'll go to the game system is Everyday Heroes. And we'll say create world. And now we can go ahead and launch World. Now by default, there's only one user here. If you guys want me to go deeper into the Foundry module, let me know. This video assumes that you already know a bit about Foundry. So there's only one user right now, and it's Game Master, and we haven't set a password for it. So we'll go ahead and click Game Master and say Join Game Session. And now, as you can see, there's nothing here, which is totally normal. We have to now go to Settings and Manage Modules, and we're going to turn on the Crow module, so that is the Crow and Everyday Heroes Adventure. And say, while you're here, if you have any other modules that you use a lot that you know you're going to want to use, you can go ahead and turn those on. Again, if you want me to cover this, just leave comments, let me know. And we'll go ahead and click Save Module Settings. Now, it's not unusual for there to be some errors. Monk's Enhanced Journal has not been updated for version 11. There will probably be several errors like that, which is okay. I'm going to go ahead and close out of those. And then this is a separate modules warning, another monk warning. We'll click OK here. And we come to our compendium packs. We see we have Everyday Heroes regular stuff here, and we have the Crow here. Let's go ahead and click on Prayers of the Past. And we can click Import Adventure. And just like that, we have our maps. We have the Almighty Dollar. We have the Hangman. We have the antagonists. There does not appear to be any music that comes with it, but that's okay. And yeah, that's basically all it is. That's how you install one of the Everyday Heroes module into Foundry Virtual Tabletop. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you're considering grabbing any Everyday Heroes content, whether it's the Crow, Pacific Rim, or even the core rulebook, please use the link in my description. It supports me directly, and it's a fantastic way for you to help out. Thanks for being awesome, and until next time, keep your adventures digital and your game system seamlessly integrated. Happy gaming!